Getting set up with the business credit reporting agencies. There are three main business credit reporting agencies in the United States: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Commercial. These are the reporting agencies your EIN credit is reported to. Start with initial business credit. Get set up with initial trade vendors that report to D&B, Experian, and Equifax to establish initial business credit. If you have good personal credit or a guarantor who does, you can also build initial business credit with our unsecured business financing program. There are approvals for up to $150,000 and 0% rates for 6 to 18 months. This is unsecured, no documentation financing. Get approved even as a startup. Get pre-approved by going to www.creditsuite.com/getfunding. Now let's turn to getting set up with D&B. Business credit reporting agencies like D&B get data from many different places. These may include utility companies, landlords, companies that help set up new businesses, insurance and benefit providers, etc. Check with D&B to see if they have a record set up for you now. It's free and easy to do this. Go directly to D&B's website to check iUpdate for your business, or visit www.creditsuite.com/reports to see if you're set up with D&B for free, or visit D&B direct at www.dnb.com. If you pull up a record for your business with D&B, consider pulling your actual business credit report. To do so, you'll need to enroll for credit monitoring. In doing so, you'll see if you have any credit reporting. You'll also see if you have scores. If you have negative items on your report, dispute those through iUpdate. Get your business credit reports and scores with D&B and Experian through NAV at www.creditsuite.com/monitoring, or go to D&B's website directly at businesscredit.dnb.com/business-reports. If your search with D&B doesn't show you have your DUNS number, you'll need one. The DUNS number is a 9-digit number issued by Dun & Bradstreet and assigned to each business location in the D&B database, each having a unique, separate, and distinct operation for the purpose. Every business must first have a DUNS number before Dun & Bradstreet will assign a Paydex business credit score. Search for your DUNS through the link at www.creditsuite.com/reports, or go to dnb.com/free-DUNS-number. During the DUNS setup process, you'll be asked for a lot of information. If you select that you're a government contractor, you'll get a DUNS in about 1 to 2 weeks. If you don't pay D&B anything and aren't a contractor, it can take up to 30 days to get a DUNS. There are 3 ways to start building your business credit. The first way is by using their Credit Builder program, www.dnb.com/credit-builder. With this option, you are only setting up credit with D&B, not Experian and Equifax, which lenders and credit issuers use most. This runs $159 monthly or $1,599 annually as of July 2017. Or get set up with initial trade vendors that report to D&B, Experian, and Equifax and establish initial business credit. With good personal credit or a guarantor who does, you can also build initial business credit with our unsecured business financing program. There are 0% rates for 6 to 18 months. This is unsecured, no documents needed financing. You can get approved even as a startup. And there are approvals for up to $150,000. Get pre-approved. www.creditsuite.com/getfunding. Let's recap. Setting up a new business means opening business CRA files. Check iUpdate to see if a business is set up with D&B. Check a business's setup status at www.creditsuite.com/reports. Contact us today to learn more about getting set up with business credit reporting agencies.